Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video tutorial for grade 4 mathematics. This video lesson is about ratio and proportion. This is the continuation of the previous lessons. So let's begin lesson number 3. Right now on your screen you can see some questions and we have to answer them accordingly. The first one has been done by you. It's like a sample how we will do it. For example, in the first one you can see there are 2 green apples and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange. So the ratio of apples to the orange is 2:5 because there are 2 greens and 5 orange. So that's why the ratio will be 2:5. Next is what is the ratio of apples to oranges? There are 3 green apples, so I will say it's 3 ratio. We have 4 orange, so 3:4. Now, what is the ratio of tables to the chair? We can see there is only one table and 4 chairs. So the ratio is going to be 1:4 because for one table there are 4 chairs. So that's why the ratio will be 1:4. And the next one is, you can see some cars and some buses. So the ratio of cars to the buses, as cars are coming first, so I will count how many cars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars, so it is 5 ratio. There are 2 buses, so 5:2. And then the next is the instructions on a bottle of juice says it should be mixed with 1 part of juice to 6 parts of water. So what is the ratio of juice to water? So 1 part of juice, so it is 1 to 6 parts of water, so ratio 6. It means that if you are taking 1 glass of juice, you can mix 6 glasses of water with that. So what is the ratio of water to juice? Now water is coming first, so it is going to be 6 and then juice later on, so ratio 1. So whatever is coming first we will write first in the ratio, whatever is later on we will write it later on. And then the next is a recipe has 4 ounces of butter and 9 ounces of sugar. So ratio of butter to sugar. So if we are taking butter to sugar, so 4 ounces of butter and 9 ounces of sugar, so 4:9. But sugar to butter will be 9:4 because now sugar is first, butter is later on, so sugar to butter will be 9:4. And the next is a class has 13 boys and 16 girls. So what is the ratio of girls to boys? Girls are coming first. So how many girls are 16? Ratio then boys because girls to boys. So 16:13. And the next here is a street has 11 single story and 9 two-story houses. So what is the ratio of two-story to single story houses? So two-story we will write first. So there are 9 two-stories, so it's 9 ratio and single story are 11, so 9:11. So whatever will be first, for example, if it is A ratio B, a ratio of A is 5, so it will be 5:11. Whatever will be given first, we will write first accordingly. Now, the next one is Sam is twice as old as Jack. What is the ratio of Sam's to Jack's age? So Sam is twice as old as Jack. So we have to take Sam's to Jack. So if Sam is 2 years old, so Jack will be 1 year because he is double than the age of Jack, whatever the age of Jack is going to be. So this is what about the ratio and proportion we have to take. So see you next time with a new topic. Goodbye.